Perfect for decluttering your home or office. Save space and clutter on your desk or nightstand. With Mydesktop's slim, compact and sleek design, replacing all of your devices' separate chargers is easy. The 5-foot power cable gives you the flexibility you need to place Mydesktop in its most convenient spot, and our built-in surge protector keeps your devices safe. Horizontal wireless charging stand, Qi compatible. Mydesktop is a multi-purpose power strip with wireless charging and 3 USB ports that can charge your Qi wireless-enabled devices, iPhone 8, 8 Plus, X, Xs, Xs Max, XR, most newer Android devices, USB-powered devices, and any device using a standard wall plug. For wireless charging, simply place your compatible horizontally on the stand to initiate charging, no cable necessary. Sleek power strip and charging station. 3 USB ports and 2 power outlets. Horizontal wireless charging stand, Qi compatible. 5-foot power cable. One device for all your power needs. Top reviews from the United States. Uses space so well. I love this charger. It has a nice, long cord so it can be plugged in pretty much anywhere and still reach where you want it to sit. It is heavy, so it stays in place on your table, desk, wherever. It charges everything perfectly and quickly. The little lip to hold your phone is perfect. Overall, I love how this has created a whole charging station with one plug.